in today's episode of What Did the White Boy Do? So, I don't know if you can see it from here, but probably heard that. The Shishi odoshi has been put in along with a whole bunch of shrubs. So, looking back, you can see I'm working on some more granite pavers for the extension of the walkway. And then there's a small and rather large Dodan Tsuji. Behind is a Satsuki. Went up to the Kanuma Kabuku Center, the Kanuma nursery, I guess we could call it, and picked up a bunch of various shrubs to begin filling in around. And so the way that these Shishi odoshi work is, as you can see, there's a pipe that's got the water that was installed the other day, and it fills a bamboo culm that has been balanced so that only when the end is full does it tip and drop the water in. And then when it returns, you can sort of see in the back there, it hits on a different piece of bamboo, which gives it that thunk. And the idea is that when farmers aren't around, they would use these as devices to scare away deer, I guess, hence the name. Coming around this way, you can begin to see the rest of the shrubs that went in. A lot of tsuji. This evergreen in the front here is ibuki. Pretty happy, especially in the afternoon light. It was actually fairly fiddly getting everything to line up, and of course the wind we've got here, which can be rather strong. Always makes it a bit challenging because you're never quite sure where you want to aim. But now that the greenery's in, they can start growing and filling in. It'll sort of lock the rocks in place, as I like to say, and give it that sense of completion, I suppose. Today there's a construction going on next door, so unfortunately in the background, instead of just wind and birdsong, you've got a large earth mover. I think they're putting in a giant solar field, which is a bit of a bummer, frankly, but shogunai. Well, that's all, folks.